hands in your lap for a second. So, I'm going to say words one at a time.
Christmas colors.
Yeah. Your job is to watch your mouth in your mirror. So you may grab your mirror.
There you go. Oh.
There you go. Look at your mouth. Smile. Awesome. Okay.
That's a tooth.
Are you ready? I'm going to say a word, and I want you to repeat the word. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Can you say in?
In.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you with the blocks. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Watch me. I, n.
I.
First sound is I. You say I. I. Good. So put our blocks back. Now our new word. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
It.
It.
Good. Watch me first. You ready? It. Freeze. First sound is I. Now let's do it together. You ready? Remember we start over here. Ready? It. First sound. It. What's the first sound? It. Good. Now I'm going to have you do it by yourself. You ready? Your word is it. So, it. First sound. It. Good job. Let's do another word. Ready? Repeat after me.
Yeah.
You ready? Are you looking in the mirror? Flip it around. There you go. That's easier. You ready? Is.
Is.
Good. Now watch me. Watch it. I. Z. First sound. I. Let's do it together. I. Z. First sound. I.
All of them are it.
All by yourself. First sound. Perfect. One more word. Are you ready? It's going to be a little trickier.
And then we're going to do letters.
You ready? Ready? Look at your mouth. Say inch.
Inch.
Good. Okay, watch me first. I. N. Ch. First sound. I. Good. First sound. I. Good job. Okay. So,
I know what you're going to say.
You know what I'm going to say?
Uh-huh.
Really?
Uh-huh.
All my words have what sound at the beginning?
I.
I. Can you look at your mouth? Say I.
I.
Is your mouth open?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I.
Your mouth's open. Can you feel your vocal cords? Put your hand right here.
I.
Can you feel it? Does it vibrate?
It makes a hum.
It does. So it makes my mouth open and it's voiced. Good job. Okay, you ready? Okay. Oh wait, have a seat. You're jumping ahead of me. Are you ready? You're gonna feel this letter in my back, and that's the letter that makes the I sound. Are you ready? No peeking. There it is.
I.
Pull it out.
I.
Ah, you were right.
It looks like a 1. I think you just put it as a 1.
Well, it is an I. Okay, are you ready? So let's look. These are the words that we said. Are you ready? In. I. In.
How can you write like that? I want to try.
Another.
Please, can I try?
I promise you'll get a chance in a little bit. Okay? Okay. Our next word is it. I-T.
I cannot write like that. I'm going to try.
Another one is I-S.
That does not look like an S.
And our last word is inch. I-N-C-H. So every word we learned today, every word begins with what, Miss Priya? I. Good. Freeze for 1 second, sweetie. Begins with an I. So this is our letter card. And so this is our letter I. Good job. So whenever we are going to have our card I And then we have a picture to help us remember the sound. So yes, igloo, and I says, say it. Good. So it's I, igloo, it. Can you do that with me? Are you ready? I, igloo, it. Good job. Okay, so now you get to trace our letter I. Oh, we're still here, I promise. So we always start on the green arrow. Can you put your finger on the green arrow? And we're gonna go swing up, stop, pull straight down, release, and dot, letter. What's this letter? I. Let's do it 2 more times. Swing up, stop, pull straight down, release, dot, I. 1 more time. Swing up, stop, pull straight down, release, dot, letter, I. Good job. Now you may move us down, sweet girl.
Now you can trace it.
Yes. Okay, so I like to get up and move a little bit because we've been sitting for a little while. So I am going to write our letter I nice and big on the board.
I want to get a color to draw the eye.
You ready? So watch me first. We go swing up, stop, pull straight down, release, dot,
That doesn't look like
I. So let's stand up. And we're going to do big arms. Are you ready? So it's like we're going to trace it with our in the air. So, yep, you ready? Swing up, stop, pull straight down, release, dot, letter,
I.
do 2 more times. Swing up, stop, pull straight down, release, dot, I. 1 more time. Swing up, stop, pull straight down, release, dot, I. Now you get to do it yourself. You ready?
And do this.
You want to grab a blue?
Yeah.
Okay. Have a seat, sweetie. Okay, so we get in our wow position here.
Did
So
you draw this?
I did. So you need to have your bottom on the bottom of your seat, the back on the back of your seat. Scoot in as close as you can. Sitting up straight, just like you are. Okay, so we're gonna trace our approach stroke, which is swing up, stop. So can you show me? Starting on the green line.
Ow, that hurt.
Swing up, stop. Perfect. Let's do another one. Swing up, stop. Swing up, stop. Ooh, let's make your own. Swing up, stop. Beautiful. Now we're actually going to make the letter I. Swing up, stop.
Swing up, stop.
Dot, I. Good job. Let's do another one.
Swing up, stop.
Pull straight down, release. Dot, I. Swing up, stop. Pull straight down, release. Dot, I. Swing up, stop. Pull straight down, release. Dot, I. Do you want to do one more by yourself? Okay, I'm going to give you a trick though. You ready? Don't pick up your pen. Keep it until the very end, okay? Start on the green line. Green arrow. Swing up, stop. Pull straight down, release. Dot, I. Very pretty. Very nice job. Okay, you ready to move us down?
Yes.
Okay. We're almost to the fun activity.
Yes, only one more.
I know. So our first vocabulary word was an igloo, which is a building you make out of snow, right? Then pacing, so that means you're walking. And then a diagonal.
Yes, a diagonal is like this.
Perfect. Is it straight down?
No.
No. Good job. Okay, and we learned a brand new letter today and what sound it makes. So we learned the letter I. Keyword is igloo sound.
I.
What does I say? I. Very nice job.
Did you make this igloo?
I did not.
Oh.
Yep. So igloo.
I.
What does I say? I. Good job.
Igloo,
Are you ready to do our fun activity?
Yes.
Yeah. Move us down, dude.
That was
So-
my face.
You're gonna need this.
Huh? It looks like a cake. I know what we're making. Igloo.
That was a really, really, really good guess. Okay. Have you ever had
Yes.
a sugar cube before?
Yes.
You have? When did you have a sugar cube?
I tried it.
You did? Do you want to try another one?
Yes, I love sugar cubes.
You may have one. Grandma will be crazy if I give you more than one. Okay, so we're going to build our igloo. You ready? So, first, in the book, we have to build the base, right? We have to go the bottom layer. So we're going to glue our, make a big circle. You're good at gluing.
I glue all the time.
You do? Okay. I'll trade you.
I'll do it.
Nice. Okay, so now you're gonna glue around, and then we'll put our
sugar
cubes. Oh, our snow, right?
Yeah, I need it when I get home.
There's gonna be glue all over it.
I think you need to spin it because I can't even.
Oh, you need to spin? There you go.
That would be easy.
Is that better?
Yeah. Damn. I almost went off the side.
Perfect. Okay.
I'm gonna do it.
There you go, girly. It's all you. I'll sit back and watch you.
But I can't even put that sugar cube on.
Do you need more glue there?
Yeah. It's hard. Please don't be out. Yes.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. And it'll take time for it to dry too anyway. Make sure there's no cracks. They don't want to freeze at night. There you go.
Oh, there's a crack. There's some cracks. There's no people inside.
Really?
Yeah.
You like sugar cubes a lot?
Yeah, they're hard though.
I've actually never had a sugar cube before.
Try it.
I don't know. I'm scared to eat.
Please. Promise, they're good.
You promise me it tastes good?
It tastes.
It tastes good?
Try it. What?
I don't know what it tastes like.